evening, everybody. Good evening. So, as promised, I have came live again. Waiting for a few more minutes to for at least more people to join in, and we can start our live session. And as said, I will be taking up live request also, and let's talk. Thank you. Yes, I've got a new hairstyle. I'm trying bangs now. Hope it looks good on me. Do tell me, do comment down how this hairstyle is looking up. Hi Manish, I'm good. How are you? Hello everybody. Hello Mrs. Nicola. Hi. Hello everybody. For all those people who have just tuned in right now, good evening to all of you from Jessica. So how are you guys doing? How's your Wednesday been so far? I'll accept a few of your invites in some time. Till then, let's talk some for a while over here only, and then I'll start to take up your live request. Thank you, Aditi Angel 1000. Thank you. When you start, I mean, unknown 69 lover. I mean, what you're talking about? When you start, I mean, the live session you're talking about. Nicer blouse, my blouse, the same as. I didn't get what you said there. Hi, Alia. Hi. Good evening, Dee. Good evening. Good evening, Alia. How is feeling in front of all friends? I didn't get that question, dear. What do you mean by that? How am I feeling, or how you are feeling in front of your friends? I didn't get that. Hi, Mr. Mahesh Bhosle Photography. Hi. When you start your session, I will start my session. The session has already started. You're talking about the live session. I'll be accepting the live request in sometimes. How you put on weight? Have you put on weight? Again, I'm reclining. That's the reason you would be seeing me in the on a chubbier side. I've relaxed on the sofa right now, and then that's how I'm talking. I'm tilted. I'm talking to you guys. I haven't put weight. I'm reducing my weight. So, I've shared a post today in the evening. Do check out if you haven't checked out already, and let me know if you like such kind of content from my side, such kind of photography from my end. Then I'll be coming up with more some of the outfit posing ideas, along with some bold photo shoots also. What do you do for living? I do a lot of things, dear, for my living. I work professionally. Also, I am a digital model, as my profile says. I'm into makeup. I'm also into styling, and also I'm an active member of the LGBTQIA community, and I'm an artist. So I do a lot of things professionally, passion wise, corporate wise. So these are my. Do you like saris? I love saris, dear Aditi. I love saris. But these days I am coming up with more of a Western look, because it was getting very repetitive. Because from past some time I was always seen in saris. So I have decided for some time I'll be taking a break from sari, and will be using up all my Western clothings. Totally, I am eyebrows threading done. Okay, nice. I've also done my eyebrows today itself. I mean, on my own itself. As you can see, if you can see, this is the shape which I have created on my own. I have done the threading on my own. Not the threading, I have done tweezing. So it's good actually, even if you end up at or made some mistakes or create some blunder, but you learn eventually. I do a lot of things on my own. Makeup I have learned on my own. I'm not a professional makeup artist or something like that. I have learned everything on my own. Styling I have learned on my own. I have taken inspirations from a lot of people, and I have tried to recreate a lot of things. So it's good if you learn on your own. Even if you make mistakes, that is absolutely fine, because you are for perfecting yourself over the period of time, and you're not to depend on anybody else later on if it's needed, because you know your body. You will be knowing your things in a very professional, in a good manner. Okay. Okay, Aditi, you're in cross dresser. Okay. What's your age, Aditi? Can you give me a bit introduction about you, Aditi? Trying to learn makeup and threading and waxing. Okay. So, Aditi, what's your age and where you from? Can you pin down on the comment section? I'll take live request in sometimes. My eyebrow are very thin, threading totally lady look. Okay. Okay, Aditi, you're 34 years. Okay, I thought you'll be young. So, Aditi, where you from? You're from Mumbai. Okay, that's cool. So, you're professionally into makeup, or you are doing it as a form of a passion? Very secret CD. Okay, Aditi. Okay, I got it. Makeup, see, makeup you'll learn with time. It's not gonna happen in one day, 1 month or 2 months, or it's not a kind of a crash course you do and you perfect makeup. Makeup will only be perfected with time and with practice. Since today also, I don't think that I'm a good. I do good a lot of things in a very perfect manner, but it's still try. It's all trial and error. You make mistakes, you learn from your mistakes. But there are a lot of tutorials already available on YouTube. You can learn definitely from YouTube. YouTube is a very great source. Ambulance, fuck. I get scared when I hear ambulance sounds. So yeah, I was saying that YouTube has a lot of content these days that can help you understand and learn each and everything under the roof. So you can definitely take YouTube at your help, at your rescue, and you can learn. I have also learned to Kitisu. Okay, okay, okay. You have been to Kitisu, you're saying, Aditi, that. Okay, cool. Kitisu is a nice place. And if you make good friends there in Mumbai, probably people will help you out with your seeding aspect, and you'll improve up your on your makeup aspect and your makeup skills as well. But my suggestion would be try. So try and invest in your makeup kit. Try and invest in your makeup kit. Start with affordable makeup products at least. Build up your makeup vanity, and slowly and slowly learn from scratch. So you need to have your own personal stuff, and try to perfect it. Don't buy excessive expensive items. Try with minimal items. Learn from YouTube. For you as a cross dresser, I would say that you can watch a lot of drag makeup. At least you can get the idea of how to cover your 7 o'clock shadows perfectly, and how you can feminize your face with makeup. I mean, drag makeups are very perfect for a beginner to learn if they are new to cross dressing, or even if they are new to feminizing their faces. So it's a very uh, uh, perfect way to make your face look more feminine through drag. So you can watch a lot of drag tutorials which is already there on YouTube. You can follow good makeup artist. For example, I can refer you like Patrick Star is a good one, Nikita Dragon is a good one. Then there are many drag artists on RuPaul Drag Race. You can follow those. You can randomly type on YouTube drag makeup tutorials. You'll get a lot of makeup videos you can watch and you can practice. Keep on practicing, you'll perfect it sooner. So that was to you, Aditi. That's how even I started, by the way. So do I miss? Thank you. Thank you, Aditi. Do I miss any of the comments of you guys? Chalo, I'll be taking up. You are a damn chill now. Thank you. So I'll be taking up live request. So if at all you guys are here, you want me to send an invite, do send me. I'll accept your invite and we can have a one-on-one conversation. Today I'm kind of a free, so I can give some time to you guys. I can have interaction with you guys. So if at all you want to come to my live, I'll be happy. Everyone begins small and then grows. Yes, yes, we done DDK. Yes, that's true. Everybody starts from small. It is applicable to each and every sphere of life, not just to your CDing, your LGBT aspect, but even in terms of anything in your life, in your business, in your career, or wherever you think. You should start from small steps. So you should take baby steps, and that's how you will be achieving your goals and your ambitions in the coming time. Now let me see some of your comment. I mean your live request. Dheeraj DK Kumar, I'm accepting your invite. Your
Your
video
video
is
is
lagging.
lagging.
Can you
Can you
see
see
me?
me?
Your
Your
video
video
is
is
buffering.
buffering.
I
I
guess
guess
there is
there is
some
some
issue.
issue.
So first attempt and a failure. This is how happens. It happens. Internet sucks sometimes. Chalo, I'm ready to. How do I start a video call? You want to? We done DDK. You want to come? Okay. You want to come? Wait a minute. I'm sending go live with. I've sent you a request. Just accept that request. VDN DDK, and you can talk.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
Hello. Good evening. I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So
Actually,
may I
I'm
know
in
your
the
name?
garden. I come in the evening for a walk, and suddenly I saw you online. And
Okay.
let me tell you, I was very active around 20, 25 years back in those days when it was a new thing, cross dressing and everything. And
Okay. Okay.
computers were many people didn't have computers in those days, and we were fortunate enough to have. And we got in touch with
Yes.
many people in all over the world. In India also, we had CD groups and all. Just now
That's
today
true.
by fluke, I got in touch with a old friend by the name of Shalini from Bangalore.
Okay.
And we were
Okay.
very good friends. I used to travel to Bangalore in those days, and there was a very big group of us. when we used to
Oh,
meet up for
nice.
dressing and all, and we used to collect our own stuff. Then I opened a CD parlor in Mumbai in 2004, and I
So
used
are
to.
you based in Mumbai currently?
Yeah, I'm in Mumbai right
Okay.
now. I'm in Mumbai, but then I
Okay.
shifted to overseas. Last 15 years, I'm stuck up because of Corona here now,
Okay. 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 So
and
where you
yeah,
currently based on? In which part of the world?
I'm in China now, Hong Kong and China.
Oh my God. Luckily
See,
you
the
escaped from China.
life is long. I'm already 62 years old now.
Okay, so how you can you tell us about your journey when you started up and when you ended up and what was the reason you ended up? So can you provide us a bit
See,
of your journey?
yeah, I'll tell you everything. Okay. I started at a very young age. I was not aware about all these things. One
Okay.
of my aunt used to dress me up and take me out in a frock
Okay.
and makeup and apply lipstick and dress me in a frock as a girl when I was small. Then that thing, it lingered in my mind. When I grew up around the age of 13, that was in
Okay.
1973, when there were no computers also in those days, no internet, no media, nothing. And I used to
Mm-hmm.
think I was very queer, I'm something different, compared to other boys.
That is true. Mm-hmm.
And secretly, I used to dress up at home in my mom's clothes when I was alone at home. And
Okay.
then it went on growing the desire. And I came in touch with some transgenders. They were called hijras in those days. I used to visit them. And they used to
Mm-hmm.
help me in my makeup and dressing in those days. I was young,
Okay.
15 years old.
Okay.
And at that ripe age, 15 years, you can imagine a boy dressing up as a girl in those days and going out with them.
Mm-hmm.
And it was a thrilling thing. Then I got married. I stopped everything. And then
Okay.
when
So
we,
what age you got married?
it was at the age of 22.
So you have fairly spent around between 13 to 22, almost 8 9 years. You have lived your
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
girl
yeah.
life. Oh, okay.
Then
So
again,
after
yeah.
marriage, you never have got an opportunity or never dared to
No,
do it. I mean, what was the scene
I
like?
never thought about it. I was busy with family life, with my career and
Okay.
everything. But when internet arrived in 1998 or 1999, internet arrived in India. And then I logged
Mm-hmm.
into a computer. My brother bought a computer. I logged in. I found many cross-dressers overseas, not in India, but international level. And
Mm-hmm.
suddenly the desire again had, come up to meet with them, talk with them. I have made friends with them on the internet. I used to sit whole night on the computer, and while my family is sleeping, I'm talking with them overnight. And
Okay.
then gradually, again, I started dressing. I met some like-minded people in Bangalore, in Chennai, online.
Which you're talking about? I mean, how many years back?
That was 2001. I started again in 2001.
Okay, okay. And
Then
your age was around 45 or what?
40, 40,
40, 40.
41. 40, 41.
Oh, okay.
And then I did it for 5 years again. I helped youngsters, young boys who were desired, 15 years old, 18 years old, who did not have the
Mhm.
facilities, who did not have the place or money, or they wanted some privacy. So I had an apartment where I opened this thing. I collected garments, makeup, and wigs and everything. I started helping those people, and I
Oh, that's
became very,
great.
very, very popular in those days. And we had formed a very big group, around 20 to 25 people in Mumbai.
Okay.
Then again, I had to leave this for my family came to know about this. They got my pictures. I had stored them in a CD and everything. They saw the pictures
Okay.
and everything. There was a very big problem at home. Then I stopped all those activities. And then I went overseas. And last 15, 16 years, I haven't done anything now. Today is the first time I'm logging in and talking with the crossdresser today, after a gap of 15, 16
Oh,
years.
my God. That's
But that
great.
life was,
But still,
I enjoyed the life. I'm very happy to say I enjoyed those days.
do you regret of marrying and settling out and having a family because
No,
you feel
no,
it was an objection to you, you couldn't live your dreams? Is it like that?
no, I was happy with both the lives. I never,
Okay,
I never
okay,
thought of doing it full time.
okay.
Because I saw some people, a few friends of mine who went full time, they couldn't come back to the normal life, and then this life is not that good. When you are young, you are good, it's okay. Once you grow old, nobody's going to support you.
That is true. See, what currently the scene is like, majority of the people currently in the cross-dressing world, you would say, are mostly trans people. They
Yeah,
have started up the journey of like as a CD, but eventually they go on transition and eventually they transition to become trans women. So
yeah.
this is the current state which I'm finding. CD is not especially more in the
CD,
seeding aspect
CD is
because
just a beginning. CD is just a beginning. Then you
CD, that's what I'm saying. There are two aspects. One is CDing is just for living your inert fantasy,
yeah.
just for temporary moment.
Hmm.
And there is another aspect which is a transgender and a transitioning aspect where you start with the CDing, initial step, and then you slowly go in the medical procedures and you transition.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
So
you are right.
I feel somehow the current CD population is more on the transgender side rather than on just inert fantasy side. It's more on the transgender side.
Could
So
be.
there are many people who are transitioning, and we have a good number of people now who are on medical assistance, and they are properly transitioning.
Many, on the internet. I'm very surprised to see so many people, trans people coming out in India now,
See,
especially.
many of the people ask me, comment me. I mean, they feel that they're having the severe gender dysphoria, how to go about, because I get a lot of comments from young generation people, new people. I mean, young kids who ask me. I mean, what are the procedure, how to go about to a doctor, and what procedures to be done, and how to go about it. So I do, as and when needed, I guide them. I
You have
provide them with assistance.
those
I
people,
provide them with assistance.
you have to encourage them. You have to guide them properly. Yeah.
That is
Because
true. There are many people,
psychologically, they're depending on someone. They don't know everything yet. It's a
and
gray
and
area.
somehow I feel that being a CD is quite daring,
Hmm.
especially if you're not indoors. It's more on the outdoor side, and you need to perfect the. It's more of like an art. You
Yeah,
need to perfect the art with time so that you'll be more confident in public, because it's more of an more. It's not just about makeup. It's not just about attire. It's about mental strength and your confidence, which
you are
which
right.
which will make which will make you more
Yeah, yeah,
comfortable in public.
yeah. You are right. Even we had that confidence in those days. We used to go out in the evenings, 4 or 5 of us, take a cab, taxi, book a taxi, and go out, or take somebody's car. We used to go out and walk towards this beach, Chopati Beach, come back. It was very daring thing, and then we used to encourage youngsters also to be bold and mentally strong. Many are not
So currently,
mentally strong.
you mentioned about your CD club. So do you still have that CD club, or it's
I'm
gone?
not. No, I'm not in touch with anyone now. I don't have any contacts.
Okay, Nini, you said that you have started one club now with 20,
But
25 people.
that was in 2001. I said from 2001 to
Okay, so
2005.
you completely discarded it off.
Everything. We discarded, we threw away the stuff, everything. We gave that apartment back. It was a
Okay.
rental apartment. We gave it back and we stopped everything. Everybody went their own way. We were around 15, 20 of seniors of us. Everybody
Okay.
went away to their own lives. We were growing up, it was by the time we were 45, 47 years old. We had family responsibilities. We couldn't do it
I
full
got
time.
that. I totally understand your perspective, because getting
Yeah.
married and then your life and your priority automatically changes once you have
Yes.
your kid, your wife, everything. I mean, it becomes, you start to feel guilty if you go on carrying on with this. So you tend to develop that guilt feeling over a time.
Definitely.
So
You are right. Mentally, you are right.
so that kind of suppresses your feeling of being a CD or to live your female fantasy outside.
But one thing is that, Jesse, this feeling will never go away unless you
This
die.
feeling, see, it's not about just the feeling about seeding in general. Also, I'm saying, since I actively work with the LGBT community, I'm saying your alternate sexuality also, at the end of the day, even if you are a gay or a bisexual or a lesbian, even if you're married by force to your partner who's a cisgender, but this feeling will never go off.
As long as
You
you're
being a different,
alive,
you
this
being
is there.
Yeah, that you can suppress it for a shorter duration, maybe for some time, but eventually it will outburst and you will be unhappy with your normal life. That's how it goes off.
Jesse, where are you based?
I'm currently at Pune. Currently, I'm at Pune. You have been in Maharashtra. I no, I mean
I
due to
know
COVID, you have landed.
girls in Pune, you know. I'll talk to you later. I know a couple of Maharashtrian girls in Pune.
Okay.
Uh, they don't
Maharashtrian girls. Maharashtrian girls. You're talking about Maharashtrian girls in the sense trans women's or the CDs or
trans, of course, not normal women. I'm
okay.
talking of trans
Okay.
women.
No, no, I
I've
mean the
got
trans. There are the two segments. So CDs or trans women's. Which one?
not CDs,
Trans women's. Okay.
trans
I am
women.
friends. I am friends with few of them.
I understand.
I
I
know
understand.
almost.
I understand now. You said you are in Pune. म्हणजे तू मला थोडा आयडिया आली आता. I can understand. मी मला कळतंय.
And one more thing. I'm not a Marathi, so I
नहीं,
don't understand.
you stay in Pune. You must be knowing Marathi. But you know,
No, unfortunately, I'm very bad at learning languages. Though I'm here in Pune for almost 3.5 years,
are you
but
Punjabi?
I'm basically from Delhi NCR. I'm basically from Delhi NCR,
Hmm.
and Pune. I was in Pune because of my work. I
Hmm.
was in college also here, and that's how I even got placed also here, and I was working here in Pune. But
Hmm.
now I have switched my job, and now my new job is forcing me to relocate to different city. So I'll be by next month I'll be relocating back to Delhi. So currently I'm again relocating back to my North India again.
Enjoy your stay in Pune.
Yeah, it's what to enjoy. Come on, it's COVID. I wished it wouldn't have been COVID. And you already know you are in Maharashtra. You know how the cases
You know,
are
I
fuckingly
was
bad
actually I was
in
planning to
Maharashtra.
visit Pune last week to meet these girls, but because of COVID, I postponed it now. Let things settle down. Let us see what happens. You know, then I'll come back in next month, May or June. I'll come
You
to
can
Pune.
connect with me. You can connect with me on my WhatsApp. It will be good to have networking. If you wish to be connected with me, and if you want to have a connection, then we can connect because I love
Sure,
to be surrounded and to be connected with like-minded people.
sure,
So it
sure.
would be a great
Okay, carry
as
on.
long as as long as you're comfortable.
Don't worry. Carry on. I won't disturb you. Maybe other people are waiting for you.
Yeah, yeah. I'll take few more requests. Anyways, it was nice talking to you
We'll catch
and
up again later.
stay
We'll catch up
connected.
again.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
It feels so good to talk to such positive energies and positive people. Chalo, I'm taking up few more requests. Martin, Tina. I don't know whose request to take up. I'm very skeptical. Okay, Mr. Yogesh. Shall I'm taking Yogesh live. Yogesh, your invite is accepted. Okay, Aditi, I'll check your DM. I'll check your DM, Aditi. I'll do that. Yogesh, I have accepted your invite. I guess are you online or you've gone? Prince One. Hi Jessica, I'm from Pune. Nitin, you wanna be coming? You wanna come live on my? I guess I've seen your request. You wanna come live? Hello.
हेलो.
Oh my God. Why your net is so slow? What happened?
मुझे आइडिया ही नहीं था कि आपने मुझे लाइव पे ज्वाइन कर लिया.
हाँ, वही तो सोचे कर लेना चाहिए. क्यों ऐसा क्यों सोच रहे थे कि नहीं ज्वाइन
अरे
करेंगे?
मैंने तो मिनिमाइज कर दिया था, लाइव ही मिनिमाइज कर दिया था.
Hi Dee. Hello. Mehak. हाँ, you are saying Yogesh something. What you're saying?
नहीं मुझे
आज
कुछ
आज
कहना
मिस्टर
नहीं.
योगेश आप इंग्लिश में बात कीजिए मुझसे. आज आई एम नॉट गोना टॉक इन हिंदी. टॉक टू मी इन इंग्लिश.
अरे मैडम, मुझे तो इंग्लिश आती ही नहीं मैडम.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Internet sucks sometime. So hello everybody, hello Mehak and all my friends who have just tuned in right now. Sexologist, psychologist, wow, your IDs. No, he will not talk. Of course I know, he won't talk. He's gone. English की बात की, he vanished off. Whatcha, okay, is it? What's there? Mehak? Uh, okay. Oh, okay. He knows that you're watching. Okay. I'll talk about him on call. I have something to share. I have, yeah. We'll talk in the night. I have something to share about him. Sure. I guess you're working, Mehak, right? Okay, fine. I'll announce it. Evening times. We will discuss about the timing also. We can surely go about life. Cool. Fine, Mehak. Okay, cool. I'll announce it. You guys do live together. मंडे पांडा दिविशा आप किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो टेक माई नेम ऑल्सो वंस यू ऑन योर टंग ओके मुकेश मीना 7084 हाय मुकेश हेलो okay अच्छा you want me to announce on the live session itself so okay cool I'll be coming live on Saturday timings I'll surely discuss I mean surely will be announcing it in some times. So I'll be coming live with Mehak Agarwal and you will be surprised, you will be shocked and you will be excited to see our live session. I know most of the people would be happy. So yes, I and Mehak her handle is the chubby trans girl you would be seeing in the comment section down there so you'll be seeing me and along with Mehak coming live on Saturday. I'll be announcing the timing shortly so do stay tuned, it will be an exciting conversation. Yes Mehak, it will be fun. Nitin, I have accepted your request. You want to come live, Nitin? Hello. Is it an intentional? Is it an intentional black screen, or you're afraid to show me your face? What is the scene like?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Am I audible to you, Nitin?
Yes. Hi.
Oh, okay. You're
Hmm.
so scared. Okay, that's
Yeah.
cool. I won't be hindering up your privacy. That's absolutely fine.
Right.
Huh.
Yes. कहाँ से हो?
So I'm from Pune. You said something, na? You're from Pune.
हाँ, yes, पुणे, पिंपरी.
So आपको कुछ बात करनी थी क्या मुझसे? What is the
Yes.
scene?
Yes.
हाँ पूछना चाहो तो पूछ सकते हो क्या आपको जानना है क्या बातें करनी है बताइए
कहाँ से हो आप? Proper.
I'm from Pune only. I've already mentioned I'm in Pune. I'm currently at Pune. I'm from North India but currently at Pune.
पुणे में कहाँ?
मगरपट्टा अब
Yes.
घर लोकेशन के बारे में I cannot give you information.
Okay. No problem. Can WhatsApp?
Sorry, what?
WhatsApp?
It would be regarding what, by the way? You want to talk what? It's regarding what?
WhatsApp.
आप हिंदी में बात करना चाहते हो क्या कि आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो इंग्लिश में
हाँ, हिंदी में।
हाँ बोलिए, आपको किसके रिगार्डिंग में आपको बात करनी है मुझसे?
ठीक है, व्हाट्सएप पे आ सकते हो क्या? ये मैं तो लाइव थोड़ा सा प्राइवेसी ये
ओके, आप
इम्पोर्टेंट है।
कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो, मुझे डीएम कर दो। आप मुझसे डीएम में चैट करो, फिर अगर कंफर्टेबल डीएम में लगा देन आई शेयर माय नंबर, ठीक है?
डीएम में मीन्स मेरे को आप टेक्स्ट मैसेज कौन सा कर दूं?
डीएम करो मुझे, इंस्टाग्राम पे मैसेज करो, इंस्टाग्राम पे मैसेज कीजिए एंड जो आपका प्रॉब्लम है या क्या है आप मुझे वहां पे पहले बात करो, सो दैट आई गेट द आइडिया ऑफ इट वुड बी रिगार्डिंग व्हाट, ठीक है?
ओके, प्लीज हेल्प मी।
या आई डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू आउट। आप मुझे मैसेज कर दो डीएम पे, ठीक है?
नहीं तो आप अभी ले सकते हैं नंबर? अभी बताओ
अभी
ना।
नहीं, this is a live session dear. I'm not gonna be no personal connections on a live session because this video will be saved and it will be in my IGTV section, so we won't be talking any personal things out here, ठीक है?
ओके
आप मुझे
ओके,
डीएम में बात कीजिए एंड जो भी फर्दर कनेक्शन होगा we'll take away from there.
मैं मैसेज करता हूँ आपको, आता है कि देख लीजिए।
ओके, चलो ठीक है।
ओके बाय।
टेक केयर।
टेक
ओके, बाय।
बाय।
So he was Nitin from Pune. Anyways, chalo, I'm accepting few more requests. Cute Abby. Abby, what's your age by the way? You look very young. Live video में लो, Mr. Irfan. Okay. Let me first read few of your comments down here because I'm missing off a lot of comments which you guys are sending me here. I'll take live again in some time. Abby, what's your age? What's your age, Abby? I'm asking you what's your age. विवेक, I'm good. आप कैसे हो विवेक? I've accepted your request. Hi Heather Rajput, आप कैसे हो? Hello. Thank you. Mande Panda, Divisha, thank you. You look damn gorgeous. Thank you. Leon, cute. CD, thank you. Yogesh, have accepted your live request again. You can join it. I won't be live for long time, dear. So, Jessica, have you done medical surgery? Which surgery you're talking about? What kind of surgery you're talking about? Mande Panda Divisha, which surgery? Lot of things, lot of surgeries are involved in transitioning. So, which surgery you're talking about? To be specific here. Vivek Omkar, have dinner? No, dear, haven't had my dinner. I'll be having after 8:30 to 9. Thank you, Nadeem. Thank you. Chalo, cute Abby, I'm accepting your request. I guess he's gone. हेलो, तुम्हारा वीडियो बफर हो रहा है। आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी यू। मुझे आप दिख नहीं रहे हो, आपका नेट शायद स्लो है। आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी यू। हाँ, अभी तुम मुझे दिख रहे हो। हाय अबी, हेलो।
I am big
तुम्हारा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है डियर।
big fan, ma'am.
आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू।
I am big so
सॉरी।
beautiful, ma'am.
I'm not
I
able
am
to
big
hear
fan.
anything. Thank you, Yani. Thank you.
I am
Thank you,
ma'am.
Yani. Dear, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. There is some issue with your internet, I feel somehow. आपके internet में
You
कुछ
big
issues है.
fan,
I'm
big
not able
fan.
to hear you. So your voice is breaking. Anyways, guys, अगर आपकी internet में really issue है, then I cannot do anything. I can't do anything about it. आपके पास टाइम ही नहीं रहता. किस चीज़ के बारे में? हैदर राजपूत, यू टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट? किस चीज़ के लिए? आप नेट ठीक है. विल ऐड यू ए बी लेटर. Okay, Nitin, after the live session, I'll check your DM. Not right now. By the way, guys, do really keep yourself safe and really try and be healthy during this phase. It's very critical phase. The cases of corona is rising. Today I heard a very bad news. One of my best friend here in Pune is detected with COVID, and though he's under home supervision only, he's not yet admitted to the hospital, and I'm really feeling sad for him and hope that he recovers from COVID pretty soon and as early as possible. Which shade or brand of lipstick are you wearing? This is Sugar uh, Matte Lip Crayon. Shade number. I'm so sorry. I don't remember the shade number currently, but it's the liquid. It's the matte lip crayon of Sugar. It's not even red. It's not even orange. It's more on the muted side. It's more on the burnt side, burnt orange side. So this is the shade. I'll message you the shade later on, if you want. Language you change only Hindi. You look nice today, too. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Sambaji Wagmare. Hi. Sure, Yani, I'll do that. I don't know what happened to my voice. Do you buy your clothes? It's awesome. Of course, dear. Who's gonna gift me clothes? I need to buy it on my own. Are you brand freak? I'm not exactly brand freak, but yeah, I like to mix and match. So I'm not totally branded. I even can go to local shopping also. Not exclusively, everything has to be branded. If I like something, if I find it something good, decent, and durable, I buy it. Thank you. I am भक्त हनुमान का. Wow, nice name. Akshay Roy, 689. Are you okay? I'm okay, but I don't know. My voice is choking up. Maybe I need to have a sip of water. दवा ले लो, इतनी खांसी हो रही है. मुझे खांसी नहीं हो रही है, मेरा गला सूख गया है. मुझे पानी पीना है. I'll have water in some time. I don't have it right now here, so I'll drink. Drink water. Thank you. I'll drink. आपने पुणे क्यों छोड़ा? डियर, करियर भी होता है. करियर नाम की भी कोई चीज़ होती है. पुणे में अब तक जो काम चल रहा था वो काम खत्म हो गया. नाउ आई एम शिफ्टिंग टू अ न्यू लोकेशन, न्यू लाइफ, न्यू बिगिनिंग, न्यू जॉब, एवरीथिंग न्यू. So that is the reason I'm relocating to Delhi. I'm still having few of my few other job aspect also, the interviews going on. So if I get some good opportunities apart from that Mumbai Delhi one, then probably I can take that also. So even Hyderabad is there in the list, and maybe even Bangalore is there in the list. So if I come to Bangalore, I'll be super excited because I have some memories. I have a good amount of memories from Bangalore even. Sonia Singh, I have accepted your request. Sonia Singh 5320. Alicia, that is correct. Bangalore is an awesome place. I did my college from Bangalore. So I've stayed there for 4 years. It was awesome. Sorry, अभी नहीं आ सकती हूँ मैं online. Okay, that's not a problem because you have sent me an invite. That's reason I've accepted your invite. It's okay if you can't come live right now. That's absolutely fine. Sambhaji, I have accepted your request. हेलो. क्या बात है, आज भी आप बाहर ही घूम रहे हो? आपको डर नहीं लगता कोविड से? आपका नेटवर्क में कुछ इशू है शायद. हेलो.
रोड पे हूँ।
आप,
हाँ?
आपका नेटवर्क में कुछ इशू चल रहा है, मतलब आपका वीडियो रुक रहा है.
मास्क है, निकाला हूँ अभी. मास्क लगाया था, निकाला हूँ अभी.
ओके, नहीं नहीं, आप थोड़ा सेफ रहो. आप मुंबई में हो ना अभी?
मुंबई में हूँ.
कोविड के केसेस बहुत बढ़ चुके हैं. थोड़ा सेफ रहो. मास्क पहन लो. इट्स फाइन, इट्स फाइन. मास्क पहन लो, सेफ रहो. कोविड के केसेस बहुत बढ़ चुके हैं महाराष्ट्र में. आप सेफ रहिए.
कहाँ आप कहाँ पे हो? पुणे में हो, बाहर गए हो?
नहीं नहीं, अभी पुणे में हूँ. मैं कहाँ जाने वाली हूँ? अभी पुणे में ही है. आई कांट मूव आउट ऑफ माई बिल्डिंग ऑल्सो. मेरे बिल्डिंग में बहुत केसेस निकल चुके हैं. तो आई एम नॉट इवन स्टेपिंग आउट ऑफ माई फ्लैट ओनली. बस ग्रोसरी या फिर बेसिक नेसेसिटी के सामान लाना जब रहता है तब, एल्स नहीं कहीं जाना होता है. तो आप लोग का आपका काम अभी भी चल रहा है कोविड के टाइम, अभी भी हो कर रहे हो क्या? ओके, क्यों आपको मतलब छुट्टी नहीं था क्या? अभी छुट्टी नहीं दिया हुआ है?
अपना नहीं, मेरा तो इमरजेंसी काम है ना गैस का, तो किधर प्रॉब्लम होगा, लीकेज होगा, जाना पड़ेगा।
तो आप सप्लाई करते हो कि मैनेजमेंट देखते हो? इमरजेंसी
सब देखता हूँ।
सर्विसेज। ओके ओके ओके। चलो अच्छा है तब तो
मैं
थोड़ा।
अगर नहीं जाऊंगा तो पूरा बिल्डिंग का लाइन बंद रहेगा फिर।
आपने वैक्सीन लिया है कि नहीं लिया? आपकी एज क्या है?
मेरी अभी 34 है।
अच्छा, तो आपको भी टाइम है अभी। मुझे लगा कि अगर 45 अबव होती तो आप वैक्सीन ले सकते थे।
आप कैसे हो अभी?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
आप कैसे हो?
आई एम गुड,
आ,
आई एम
आप
गुड,
कैसे हो?
आई एम गुड, आई एम फाइन। अच्छा, मस्त, बिंदास।
आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
थैंक यू। आपको आई सी, आई ऑब्जर्व यू। उस दिन के वीडियो के सेशन के बाद में अब तक जिनों के साथ मेरा लाइव सेशन हुआ उनके साथ मतलब एक काइंड ऑफ कनेक्शन हो गया, मुझे समझ में आ गया है उनका। तो आई जस्ट सी, आप मेरे फोटोज लाइक करते हो, कमेंट करते हो, तो मुझे समझ में आता है कि नहीं होता है कि यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली गिविंग योर सपोर्ट टू मी, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है। मुझे याद भी है, इसलिए तो आपका नाम मुझे याद है, मुझे पता है। चलिए, अच्छा लगा आपको, आप आपसे बात करके आपने दोबारा फिर से कनेक्ट किया, अच्छा है। अब आप रोज मेरे लाइव सेशन में आओ जब भी दिख जाते हैं आपको। और आप टाइम मिलता है
मैसेज
तो।
मैसेज आता है ना, मैं तो 24 घंटे ऑनलाइन रहता हूँ, तो मैसेज आया तुरंत।
ओके, चलिए अच्छा है, बट ठीक है, थोड़ा सेफली भी रहो, काम भी करो आप। सिर्फ लाइव मत रहो। इंस्टाग्राम पे।
हाँ, मैं वो कभी ईयरफोन लगाता नहीं ना, इसके लिए थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है।
नहीं नहीं, सेम
ईयरफोन
हियर।
लगता ही नहीं है कभी साथ में।
मुझे भी, क्योंकि ईयरफोन लगाने से मुझे भी लगता है कि लाइव सेशन जब जब मैं करती हूँ तो मुझे ये कर लेना चाहिए, ईयरफोन लगा लेना चाहिए, ज्यादा क्लैरिटी होगा मेरे लिए भी, बिकॉज
हाँ
ऐसे भी
हाँ।
मुझे एक हाथ से फोन पकड़ना पड़ता है, फिर उसके बाद बातचीत करनी पड़ती है, तो थोड़ा होता है, मुझे भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, एक हाथ से मुझे कॉन्स्टेंटली फोन पकड़ के बैठना पड़ता है। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो सेशन में भी प्रॉब्ली आई बी यूजिंग ऑल्सो ईयरफोन। ईयरफोन से थोड़ा आसान हो जाता है बात करना।
अभी कैसे
चलिए।
एकदम रोड पे पूरा रस्ट है ना पूरा, देखो तुमको दिखाता हूँ मैं भी।
हाँ,
ये
आप
जो
कौन से एरिया में
बिल्डिंग है
हो?
ना,
ये कौन सा एरिया है?
ये है दहीसर, मीरा रोड।
अच्छा, दही। ओ माय गॉड, मुंबई तो खाली, ज्यादा गाड़ी तो नहीं दिख रही है रोड पे? नहीं है, फिर भी
हाँ,
गाड़ियां तो।
यहीं से मुंबई स्टार्ट होती है।
ओके। दही सर, ये किस तरफ पड़ता है? ये बोरीवली नहीं, बोरीवली उस साइड है
हाँ
क्या?
हाँ, बराबर। पहले
बोरीवली की
दहीसर फिर
साइड है?
बोरी। अगर चर्चगेट से आते हो तो पहले बोरली पड़ता है, फिर दहीसर पड़ता है।
ओके ओके ओके। वेस्टर्न लाइन में इतना तो मुझे पता है, दही सर वेस्टर्न लाइन में ही आता है।
हाँ, वेस्टर्न लाइन।
चलिए अच्छा, आप रहते कहाँ पे हो? आपका एरिया कौन सा है?
मीरा रोड में रहता है।
मीरा रोड। वो
हाँ,
तो फिर वेस्ट नहीं, वो कौन सा लाइन में आता है?
दहीसर के बाद में मेरा रोड आएगा।
अच्छा, ओके, मतलब पास में ही रहते हो। ओके, चलिए अच्छा है।
हम्म। अभी यहाँ पे अपना
सही।
ऑफिस ऑफिस पे आया था।
तो आपका
इतना
ऑफिस
घूम रहा
कहाँ
है तो
पे
मैं
है?
बाहर आके बात।
आपका ऑफिस दहीसर में है?
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, मेरा मतलब पर्सनल है, कंपनी का नहीं है अपना।
ओके, आप अपना खुद का बिजनेस करते हो। ओके ओके, चलिए अच्छा है। आप सेफ हो ना? आपको अभी तक हुआ नहीं है ना कोविड, की हो के गया है आपको?
कोविड नहीं हुआ मेरे को। मैं गए कोविड में भी पूरा काम वर्क, एक दिन भी घर पे नहीं था।
ओके, तो अगर कहीं से जुगाड़ हो सकता है तो अपना वैक्सीन करवा लो आप।
अरे हम लोग ही यहाँ पे वैक्सीन क्लियर कर रहे हैं, लोगों को दे रहे हैं।
तो आपको आपको नहीं लेना है क्या वैक्सीन? डर नहीं लगता है?
लोगों को हम दिलवाते हैं, लोगों को हेल्प करते हैं
सही
डेली।
है,
अभी मेरे बाजू
वही
में यहाँ
वही।
पे कोविड,
आज बिलीव नहीं करोगे,
यहाँ पे कोविड
तीसरे
सेंटर जो
चौथे,
है ना, यहाँ पे
आज आज
मेरे।
आप तीसरे या चौथे इंसान हो जिससे मेरी बात हुई है आज के पूरे दिन में, जिसको कोरोना से डर ही नहीं लगता है। मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि आप कैसे नहीं वैक्सीन लेना चाहते हो, पर मिल रहा है तो आपको ले लेना चाहिए ना। आपको, आप क्यों ऐसे रिस्क नेग्लिजेंस कर रहे हो?
अरे रिस्क नहीं ले रहे, मैं तुमको क्या बोला, गए टाइम जो कोरोना हुआ था ना, गए टाइम का, गए साल में,
हम्म
तो उस टाइम पे मैं एक दिन भी घर पे नहीं था, एक दिन भी। मतलब पूरा दहीसर से लेके चर्चगेट तक मैं काम कर रहा था, अकेला
हम्म
था। सब लोग गांव भाग गए थे, सब लोग गांव भागने के चक्कर में थे। और लोगों के घर में सब प्रॉब्लम होते थे, किसी का खाना बंद होता था, किसी का गैस बंद होता था, तो लोग क्या करते थे?
नहीं, वो
तो
तो
सब
सही है।
लोगों की
काम
हेल्प किया।
काम आपका तो काम काफी अच्छा है, बट आपकी भी तो लाइफ है ना, आपकी भी तो जिंदगी है ना, तो अपनी जिंदगी को
नहीं,
रिस्क तो
काम
लेना चाहिए।
पैसे के लिए नहीं किया, बहुत से लोगों का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए किया।
हाँ, वो तो अच्छी बात है।
तो
वो
मैं पैसे,
समाज सेवा कर रहे हो, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग, एंड वी
अभी
अप्रिशिएट इट।
अगर मैं
इवन आई
यहाँ से
पर्सनली अप्रिशिएट इट।
नहीं नहीं, यहाँ से अगर मैं चर्चगेट जाता हूँ तो मुझे 500 रुपया खर्चा आता है, तो मैं वहां से पैसा क्या लूंगा उनको बताओ? लेकिन उन लोग का जब खाना बंद हो जाता था ना, लोग 2-2 दिन भूखे रहते थे, और बिल्डिंग वाले लोग, बाजू वाले भी उनको खाना नहीं देते थे, मतलब दूध भी गर्म नहीं करने देते थे। उस टाइम पे बहुत मतलब डर था लोगों को।
ये तो है, कोविड का केसेस में बहुत लोगों ने अपनी इंसानियत खो दी है, एंड बहुत लोगों ने बहुत कुछ देखा है इस कोविड के टाइम में। वो तो समझा, वो तो पता है मेरे को। वही तो सोच के बहुत
हम्म।
खराब भी लगता है, बट क्या करें।
हाँ, हाँ।
जितना हेल्प हो सकता था उतना लोगों ने किया है, बट कुछ चीजें खुद भी झेलनी पड़ती है इस टाइम पे।
हाँ, वो तो बराबर।
तो वही है,
मैं
मुझे
तो
भी।
वही चाहता, अरे देख, आप उन लोगों की हेल्प करेंगे ना, अपने को पावर मिलती है, उससे कुछ नहीं
वो
डरना।
बात तो सही बोल रहे हो, बट स्टिल अगर आप अपना ख्याल रखोगे, क्योंकि आपकी भी अपनी फैमिली है, तो अपना भी ख्याल रखो। और
हाँ, वो तो है।
अगर वैक्सीन का हो जाता है तो फिर इग्नोर मत करो, वैक्सीन आप ले लो, ज्यादा अच्छा होगा।
नहीं नहीं, वो है वो, वैक्सीन जो देते हैं ना अभी,
हम्म।
अब मतलब मेरे बाजू में जहाँ पे अभी मैंने वीडियो कॉल बताया ना आपको,
हाँ,
यहीं
हाँ।
पे वैक्सीन का सर्विस सेंटर है, मतलब यहीं पे वैक्सीन लगाया जाता है अपने
ओके।
दहीसर में। तो यहीं से लोगों को सब पूरा मतलब गोरेगांव से लेकर दहीसर तक यहीं पे एक सेंटर बनाया हुआ है,
हम्म।
यहीं से वैक्सीन लगती है। और ये वैक्सीन के जब दिन भर लगती है ना, तो हम लोग दोपहर को या मॉर्निंग में सबको पानी सप्लाई करते हैं, वाटर बॉटल, कुछ नाश्ता है। इन लोगों को हेल्प में मेरा 1-2 घंटा यहाँ पे जाता है।
ओके। चलो, अच्छा लगा कि किसी एक समाज सेवक से मेरी बातचीत हो रही है। दैट्स अ गुड थिंग कि आप अपने जॉब के अलावा आप बहुत सारी चीजें समाज सेवा के लिए करते हो, विच इज अ गुड थिंग। कोई नहीं, आपको बहुत दुआ लगेंगी, एंड बहुत आपको कामयाबी मिलेगी। डोंट वरी, आप लोगों की मदद कर रहे हो, आपको भी उसका आपको फल मिल जाएगा। आई गेस कुछ इंटरनेट का इशू था। Anyways, I may take one more live request, and it's already 8:40, so I have to go and cook something for my dinner. Yes, dear, I'm reading few of your comments now. Yes, Mande Panda ji, I'll take good care of me, and expect the same from you also. Not from you, but everybody out here. Do take good care of yourself. And the new corona symptoms are pretty rigorous and very severe, so please take good care. When you're coming to Bangalore, Chelsea, अभी फिलहाल कोई प्लान नहीं है बैंगलोर का. Why to lie? I wish it was not corona, I would have come to Bangalore, but अभी कोरोना के फेज में आई मुझे बस सिटी रिलोकेट करना, उसको ही सोच के मुझे इतना टेंशन हो रहा है. बट अभी मूवमेंट, आई एम नॉट गोना बी मूविंग एनीवेयर. लाइव पे मुझे जोड़ कर सकते हो क्या आप? ओके, आई एम नॉट नाउ चेकिंग one more live request. Trans women, I've accepted your request. Trans women ID. This is my last live for today, by the way. Internet connection, or was it intentional? Okay. I'm again, okay, I'm again checking if we have, if trans women accepts the, I mean, have accepted the invite of trans women. If you come live, that's cool, else I'll take somebody else now. This is my last live now, dear. So join karo, Faisal Khan. Give me online what wish to. Wow. Can I be your personal chef? Katrina, please, it would be great if you could come and help me out with the cooking, because the cooking is the is the thing which I like the least. I'm not much interested into cooking. Just for the sake of eating, I prepare. Else, I'm not a passionate cook. And मुझे feelings भी नहीं आती है cooking करने की. काश कोविड नहीं होता, I would have had hired a cook and मेरा problem solved होता. Hi Premjit Mishra, seeing you after a very long time. Hi. Thank you, Fazal. Thank you. Can you, can I cook and you can eat? Wow, that would be great. कटरीना, आप कहाँ से हो प्लीज़ मुझे बता दो. नाइस हेयर स्टाइल. ट्रांस वुमेन, आपका कुछ इंटरनेट में इशू है आई गेस. आई हैव एक्सेप्टेड योर इनवाइट बट समहाउ यू वी डिडंट कनेक्टेड ऑन द लाइव. Yes, I'm fine, Premjeet. आप कैसे हो? Are you non-vegetarian or shakahari? I'm a non-vegetarian but not a hardcore non-vegetarian. These days I'm preferring more of like a vegetarian food and eggs, not meat. Lots of love. Thank you, Monday Panda, Divisha. It's a very big name, by the way. Divisha, I'll call you. Thank you. Lots of love to you too. Kerala, I guess, shall I help you with cleaning your houses and okay. Nee, that is fine, dear. I know you're from Kerala. How would you come from all the way from Kerala to Pune to help me out with my households? Please, it's okay. I can manage. Let's talk logical now. So you're in Bangalore. What do you do professionally? I'm not in Bangalore, Katrina. I'm not in Bangalore. I'm from Pune, not Bangalore. आपकी टाइम लाइफ आते हैं, आपकी टाइम लाइफ आते हैं. आई डेंट गेट यू. टाइम लाइफ, व्हाट्स दैट? टाइमलाइन और टाइम लाइफ, व्हाट इज दैट? कम दिल्ली, विकी सिंह. हाँ, आएंगे भी तो छुपा के रखेंगे. आई वोंट बी सेइंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नाउ. Keep ignoring, keep inspiring us, rise and shine, Jessie. Same to you, dear. I'll try my best as long as possible to motivate you guys and to keep you all positive and happy with my small bits and work which I'll do for you guys. Hi, are you coming to Mumbai, Ankit? I have no plans for Mumbai as of now. How was your experience in Bangalore? It was awesome. I stayed there for 4 years and it was super awesome. And actually, my journey as an LGBT queer people person started in Bangalore only. Tell us what you did today. Oh my god. I did a lot of things apart from sleeping, cooking, eating. I worked. Then I did some Instagram shoots also, and I talked with few of my casual friends, and talked at my home with my parents, and yeah, watched TV. And I'm lucky today I didn't got any calls in the during the live session. Otherwise, it was always very chaotic. Me on the live, and I'm constantly bugged up with messages and live. I mean messages and call beeps constantly disturbing me. How you're spending your days now? I'm doing a lot of things. This is how I am generally spending my day. My professional thing, my work, and a few of the company interviews are also taking place. So I'm also preparing for those also, and for Instagram and basic life, cooking, eating, sleeping, watching TV, watching Netflix, Amazon Prime, something new, some new series and all. Chalo, I guess we had spent a good time today. It's almost 9 now. We'll wrap up this live session for today. Let's wrap up this live session for today, and if possible, I'll come live tomorrow. And that Saturday thing one is almost fixed. So I'll be coming live with Mehak Agarwal, my old friend from Pune, and we'll be having a good time on live. So with this note, I am signing off, and lots of love to all my lovely family, my constant support system out here. Keep showing your love, your encouragement like this. It keeps me motivated, it keeps me positive, it keeps me moving. I always need such kind of energy and support from you guys. So do share your love and support the way you have been doing it till now. And I hope to be equal value to you guys too. So with this note, I'm signing off. Do take care of your health, and spread love and positivity around. Take care. Bye everybody. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Bye.